And still at Pinecrest, here's a nice Carluta Vicchia. I don't know if it's a Drudii or a Palmata. I can't tell the difference. And then this chubby guy here, I don't know if this is Ravennia Rivularis, the Majesty. Has such a robust trunk on it, so I have no idea. I suspect it's Ravennia, but could be something else. These heliconia are pretty. I don't know heliconias at all, but they're gorgeous. Upright presentation of the flower too, instead of hanging down. So that's kind of neat. And they're just, get back for a little perspective, they're rather massive, rather tall. So 5'7" for perspective there. So there's some huge traveler palms in here. Ravenella, I think it's Madagascariensis. More Liquala coming up. And again, this place is right near Montgomery and Fairchild. This is on 57th, I think it's Avenue Southwest, but it's 57 something Southwest. Oh, there's another one of those dainty, kind of rapist looking. I don't know if it's, I don't know the species well enough. I've heard people say they're all kind of the same. There's variations on a couple different species within rapist, so I have no clue. So here's a nice shot here, another giant Liquala. They do like their Liqualas here, and I gotta applaud them for that, because that's one of my favorites. That looks like a Leucothrinax maybe? I don't know if that's a silvery underside on those, or if that's just the light, or both. That looks like cacao right there, yep. That's Theobroma. Oh, what's this guy here? Oh, there's actually a sign. It's got spines, let's see. Doesn't say. This might be the Verschaffeltia splendida, because it looks a lot like that other thing, the Pelagodoxa, but you can see the armament on those petioles there. So I'm guessing that's Verschaffeltia. Oh, you know what? How you can tell, I guess, is the root. Hasn't thrown up any stilt roots. That's usually the sign of Verschaffeltia. So this could be something else. I don't know. It just looks nice. I spent the first half of this day at Fairchild, so my brain's fried. So I'm going to be stumbling over my tongue here. Oh, another nice Liquala. I'm gonna have to break this into a couple different parts, so it's not a 10-minute video, maybe 2 5-minute videos. Look at that massive Liquala back there. Maybe some single stem Tychospermas. Let's go a little further down the trail since I've got you guys on here. But this is really a gorgeous park. It's got this nice trail with these coquina walls. It's all pretty much bordered and flanked by these walls here. I don't know fish at all, but there's some big fish there for you. Turtles, more turtles. Look at the size of these fish right here. Aren't they massive? Oh yeah, you got some sunbathing turtles there.
Oh, wow.
Look how big those guys are. There's some carp or koi or whatever the hell they are. I don't know anything about fish, so feel free to educate me. I'm all about that. Ooh, this is pretty. Is this Pinanga of some kind maybe? I don't know, the leaves aren't screaming Pinanga, but that stem kind of stood out. Groovy, groovy, groovy. All right, well, I guess I'll stop it here. Watch my step. I should, oh, there we go. I see that now. All right, ooh, is that more Certostachys over there? Oh, come on. You guys can bear with me for another minute for palm porn. Oh my God, that looks like a Pritchardia on the way over here too. I don't know what kind of woolly stems, maybe kind of look like Pacifica maybe. These look like the Certostachys elegans, but I could be wrong. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Lots of palm species in here. There's another heavily armed. I don't know what I would, it's not Astracarium. Looks like it's Dioecious, so I have no clue. Be nice if there were more signs. That would be one thing. It's not a criticism. That flowering almost looks like Astracarium. So these might be Mexicanums. I don't know. There's another something here. Doesn't look like. Yeah, the petioles are armed on this one too. I have no idea. Lovely, lovely. Is that Gausia of some kind? I think maybe. So, and then some Chamaedoria. Rapists, these are the normal everyday kind of rapists. Yeah, there's some female Chamaedoria there. Coming over to this thing. I don't know what this guy is here. Maybe, it's not, I don't know if it's Sadacentia or Any of the Chamberoni, like that used to be Kennyopsis. I don't know if it's Kennyopsis, but anyway, it's one of those guys. One of those New Caledonia critters. So very cool. All right, so I'll let you go now, and if anything else comes up, you'll see it in the next segment. Oh, here's another Pichardia. Nice.